Hey guys, it's me, the Fun Cat Queen here, and in this video I'm going to be doing squishies I got for my Christmas. So I'm making what I got for Christmas in 3 parts, which is the first part, squishies I got for Christmas, the second part, are things I got for Christmas, and the third part, just the rest of stuff I got for Christmas. And as you can see, I'm in a new setup because I moved at my mom's house, so I'm in a whole different room, and there'll be a room tour really soon because I'm basically almost done. I just have to do the last finishing touches. But anyway, let's get into the video. So I'm going to first start with the squishies I got in the month of December. I'm just going to add those towards what I got for Christmas. So the first thing I got, actually I don't even know what this is. It's one of these like capsule squishies out of like Japanese, I guess. And it is these little panda. The next thing I got is the actual in this capsule. Well, the top of this capsule was in this one, but it broke in shipping. So. I don't know, this is like a cute little bear. I don't know if you can tell. So cute. The next thing I got is this Mickey Mouse Zoom squishy. This is by Disney. Let's see. The next thing I got was this Nano Poly Series 2. And as you can see, the face is not on there. And it's very defected, which I don't really mind because I only bought this for $1 on Cloudy Squishies. And last but not least, I got this iBloom Harajuku Bear. So I asked for 2 squishy type items. One of them was like, this is other squishy, this is a random like cat squishy. And then the other one was a $45 Bunny's Cafe grab bag. And it's actually from the one from Etsy because it's actually $35, but because of shipping it's around $45 on Bunny's Cafe. So I just asked for the Etsy one so it's just easier, and plus it's my parents already had an account on it, so my bad. So the first one I got, well, the squishy I asked for them separately was this orange towel cat. It was like orange Laffy Taffy. Not okay, Starburst. This is by Chawa. So I don't know if I said this before, but sorry if you hear any background noises. It's just a little loud out there. Okay. Now on the $45 grab bag. So because it was Bunny's Cafe, it's gonna be a lot of Bunny's Cafe squishies. So we got this Bunny's Cafe cinnamon roll. So if you didn't know, this $45 grab bag was actually worth $100. I think this is totally worth it. The next thing is this iBloom Cotton Candy Bear. Look at how it smells like. next thing is so cute. This is Jolly Cat. I never even heard of this before. It smells very fruity. Or like soapy, can't tell. And the brand is Andy. I can't really see it, I don't think. But yeah. I think these two squishies are Daydream. I can't really tell, but they're these two like mountain buns. This is a pink one and this is the brown one. The next one is this Tropical Fruit Bunny's Cafe series. And I got the piece, and look how cute this acrylic tag is. Next I got are these Bunny's Cafe Happy Halloween breads. This is the pumpkin day one. And this is the Fabulous one. So the next one is one that she decoed. I think it was really sweet of her. The next one is this Pearlized Sweet Bunny Mascot by Bunny's Cafe. The next squishy that I got is this Candy Corn Series Unicorn. I'm not taking this one out of packaging. And last but not least, I got this Cool Down Mini Series Bun Squishy. And the design is lovely pink, and I'm not taking this out of packaging either. So that's it for all the squishies I got for Christmas. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a brand new video. And as always, bye kitty fans and Merry Christmas.